Pariva Chapter 7. Every Hindu in his life must at least once go and bathe in the river Ganges. We can say it is a fated duty for everyone. It is very pure. Those who bathe in the river Ganga, the goddess Ganga Mada, clears all of their sins and sends them to the shore. As per Puranas, the river touches Tirumal's feet, also flows from Lord Shiva's plat. Brahma too, when saw Trivikrama Mahavishnu Darshan, he did Abhishekam to his feet. Not only it is special because of Mumurtis, that is Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. If we think with silence and calmness, we can know its many speciality. Normally rivers are produced from the mountains. When it rains in the mountains, it becomes river. This rain only has the sans gunam, that is character. Because it touches the lands and comes running, that is the reason. So the herbs are also touched by the water, so the river also contains it. But Ganges River is different from normal rivers as it comes from silver dewdrops and the sun's rays melts it. This melting becomes a lot and starts to flow. We can say that the snow stones can be compared as the wise person's heart. Water and heart in many ways are the same. Both are flowing. They also run, also stay at some one place. They are also very clear sometimes and also very messy sometimes. Sometimes water changes where it falls accordingly. Heart also changes according to situations. So, like pure water, our heart also must be pure. If it is not pure, we can't use it. Same, our heart also has its benefit. A story relating to it. Can one person catch water in a drainer? This was a competition. All said, how can we do that? But one person said he can do it. He also showed it as proof. First, he freezed the water into ice cube, then caught it on the drainer. We too should keep our heart and mind like the ice cube and keep it strong. If it is strong like this, then there is no movement and it is not dirty. This too can be given by Lord Shiva. So the place he will be is the ice mountain, is like a coat. This ice, once the sun rays shone, starts to melt down and becomes pure water and runs to the sea and joins it. In between the sun's hot rays, which we can't feel, it is in that state. Like this, Mumurti is connected to the sun, and this relation brings the worlds of all rivers. Ganges River for many years is with good capacity, that is, it is like honey and always pure and is confirmed in scientific surveys and it is proved. When we bathe by going inside the water by bowing our heads and come up like we are connected to the five Panjabodham, that is air, water, sky, fire, sand. We become one with it, the one of the Panjabodham which is water. Inside this river, the mountain's highest place and the sea's lowest place. So it is the middle of it. So it is one of the highest connection, we say connection, which the sea mixed, that is the world's three parts, which is water. So that is three connections when we go deep into this river. We get it from the river. No other river is in this level if we think properly. This type of pure Ganges river, Periva wanted to have a bath, and that was the reason he started to travel to North India. Panjabhuta Talangal, that is water related temple, is Tiruvanai Kovil temple Kumbhabhishekam. Next is bathing festival, that is the highest, that is Kumbakonam Maha participation. He has done two pure things. Followed by this, he wanted to do the third biggest pure thing, that is take bath in the river Ganges. Then the end is Rameswaram, take bath there and then follow destinations. Do you know how many years this took place?